Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get clients on Houzeo.com. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to go ahead and launch your Houzeo.com web application, just like I have done right here. Now, if you do not have an account on Houzeo, you will not be able to enjoy all of its benefits. So here you've got a simple perk. How do you create an account on Houzeo? Very simple. Launch any browser of your choice, and from any browser of your choice, head over to the search bar, which is usually at the top corner of your screen. In there, go ahead and type Houzeo.com, and once you do that, it's going to take you right into the official website. Over there, you can create an account, and once you're done creating an account, of course, follow through with the processes that are self-explanatory, and you will be good to go. Now let's go over Houzeo and what it has to offer to us. So this is what is Houzeo. Let's go ahead and read a little. Houzeo is a tech-centric for sale by owner website and real estate platform that gives you access to tools only real estate agents have. And now it has the Intel-List listing management system that makes listing your home simple, and Houzeo offers and the Houzeo showings. So in this tutorial, we'll learn how we can get clients on Houzeo. So you're a real estate agent or you're a homeowner, you have an owner, you have a home. Let's say you have a home specifically and you want to sell your home, all right? And you want to get clients or customers who are interested in buying your home. Here's exactly what you can do to actually get more clients on Houzeo.com. Now, have you heard about the MLS service? Okay, yeah, that's it. So the MLS, let me just tell you a little about MLS. So once you list your home on MLS, all right, it can get you top dollar for your property. Now it says all cash home buyers use the MLS to research and buy properties. So those people who have cash or even iBuyers, they head over to MLS and then they search for properties that are listed in MLS. What does this mean? It means that for you to actually get the catch, for you to get the clients, for you to attract all of those people, then you will need to list your home on MLS. All right, and the interesting perk is that Houzeo actually has this MLS service that allows you to actually list your home for free. If you check the top right corner here, it says start free listing now. So list your home for free on the MLS program or the MLS service that is offered by Houzeo.com. Now let's go ahead and see, how that MLS works. So here we go. It is actually, here you actually have a snippet, the Intel-List listing management system. All right, and of course, here you go. This is the Houzeo homepage. All right, just head over and then click on sell a property. And once you sell a property, you'll be able to list your property. So go ahead, and this is one of the steps, like I said, but then for you to get the clients as often as possible, for you to get more clients, which is the core of this tutorial, then you use the MLS. But this is one of the ways, of course, once you list your property, using the normal process on Houzeo, then people or clients will be able to see your property on the Houzeo list. So you can go ahead and click on the seller property. And once you click on that, now it says, hey, am I from Houzeo? I'll help you get your listing submitted in minutes. Awesome. I hope we can actually trust that. So here you're just going to have to enter your property address and then the suite and then the city and the state and the zip code and then verify. So once it has been verified, scroll the way down and, of course, enter your property type. Let's go ahead and get this done. Let's say single family, and I'm just gonna have to click on continue, and then here you have your enter your property basic info. So the BTR, number of stories, bedroom, full bathroom. When was this built? Let's say 2021. Number of stories, number of bedrooms. Let's say we have 4 bedrooms, full bathrooms. We have 2 full bathrooms, half bathrooms. Say 1, and all of this. Basement area, lot size, not so really. Okay, so HOA fee, $1,000 per month, and all of this. Go ahead and click on continue. Finished area, seller phone number. Gonna click on continue. All right, so we have a few things. So here it says enter property title info, who holds the title, a single individual, and then your legal name and all of these things. And click on continue. List price. All right, enter your asking price. So asking price. Continue. So here you have to select a plan. Now, what kind of plan do you want to select? So it says select the MLS plan. You can save this and send it via Houzeo. So right here, select the plan that you want. And once you have selected your plan, let's say we're selecting this. Of course, if you select your plan, you're going to have to proceed to pay. All right, so all of these are processes for you to pay. And after that, this is the next step that you have to take. All right, you're going to have to enter more information about your house. And then it's going to take you to the next step again. And then this is the last step where you have to enter the pictures of your brand or of your house, rather. And then once you enter the picture of your house, it's just going to be uploaded on the MLS listing. So this is one of the ways. And then the next way is this Houzeo.com, how Houzeo works. All right, so this is, like I said, just head over to products. And once you head over to products here, go ahead and click on Intel Listing Management, which is going to, of course, help you, list for free on the MLS. So this is it. So Houzeo user-friendly listing management system got you through each step. And then this, in addition, the system automatically assigns you document pertinent to your property type and MLS. All you need to do is to just fill out the details of your property and, of course, pictures as well, because pictures would be really nice. Now go ahead and click on Start Free Listing. Now, and once you click on Start Free Listing, it's going to take you right here. So it's even going to take you right into this page where we were before. So use any of the sites, link any of them, and it's just going to work the same way. Really perfect. So this is it. This is the listing that I've been trying to, I was working on, that we, of course, went through the process together. So go ahead and click on complete listing and make your payment, subscribe, and follow through with the further processes, and you'll be able to get your property listed. Now, once it has been listed on this IntelliList listing management platform, it's going to take it to a wide range of clients, and clients will be able to, see your property and reach out to you that they're interested in it. So this is how you can get clients on Houzeo.com. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.